Hi, this is Bob, and this morning I'm working on the Husqvarna Lawn tractor. It's a YTH 18K46. And what I wanted to show you this morning, I was getting it out. I should have gone through the maintenance routine, changed the oil, cleaned the air filter, changed the oil filter, checked the belts, and cleaned out the decks and all that stuff. That should have been done in the fall, but I parked it in the shed and didn't do that. So I got it out now. It's now April 7th, and April 7th, 2021. And I bring it out of the shed, and when I was driving it up to the house here, it was moving really slow. And when I pushed down on the foot pedal to make it go forward, it just would go real slow, and then it would kind of jerk and do strange things. And I thought, uh-oh, something's wrong here. And I thought immediately of a worn belt. But this thing is only 2.5 years old, 3 years old at the most. And so one thing I found out, you can pull the battery box out here. Just pull it out. It's got 2 clips on the side. Right there is a clip, and you just push that clip in with a screwdriver, lift it up, and you do the same thing on the other side here, and this comes right out. You can clean around that fan and all, and you can reach in there and you can check the drive belt, which is right up in here. And you can squeeze the 2 sides of the drive belt with your one hand like that, and it should have kind of a light tension. It's not a real strong tension, but it should have a light tension. Now this belt was just flopping around in there, so it had no tension at all on it. So no wonder I was having trouble getting the thing to move. So then I got on YouTube, and I see where there's a gentleman had posted on YouTube about taking the deck off and cleaning out the inside the frame up in there where the brake pedal goes right here. This is the brake pedal. That's my extension cord there. This is the brake pedal here, and the brake pedal on his YouTube video was not returning all the way. So I thought, oh, so I'll have to take the deck off. And then my wife came out, Diane, and she said, well, now wait a minute. She said, why can't we get up in there with the shop vac and suck that grass out of there around that brake pedal up in the frame? And by golly, this small shop vac, we were able to get in there, and we were able to suck out all that grass and stuff. Most of it I did with this nozzle off, just used the hose. Anyhow, she helped on that. She did a lot of work on that, and we were able to get that grass out of there without taking the deck off. And that's why I'm making this video. I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it without taking the deck off. Now, there's probably still some grass up there in various places, and I think that's okay, because as soon as I start mowing, it's going to be putting grass up in there right away anyhow. So anyhow, I got that all out. I had a huge amount of grass I got out of there. I've already cleaned up most of that. There's only a couple pieces laying on the floor of the grassy stuff. But that gets up underneath in that mechanism, right up under in here, and causes this brake pedal to not return to the fully returned position. And when you do that, why, then you have the belt loose. So that's what I worked on there. It was quite an easy, now it wasn't a terribly easy job. There was still work to it, but it was something I could do. I'm 78 years old, and taking that deck off and moving it around and doing all that stuff is pretty hard on me. So I decided to try with the sweeper and all, like my wife suggested. and it seems to have worked just fine. So I just wanted to make this little short video and show you guys what we did to get the mower running good again. So if your mower is dragging, if it doesn't start up like it should when you push down on that forward pedal there, then that may be your problem. A buildup of grass and crud in that brake pedal mechanism in the frame there. That's it, everybody, and enjoy the summer. This is Bob, out.